Hi guys, so I've just removed this rear backrest out of a Lexus and you can see it's got a very strange damage on it. Now this is not an old car, this is a less than 5-year-old car, and apparently this kind of happened overnight, so the owner of the car said. Now he did tell me that on the parcel shelf he had a little dehumidifier, little tub plastic ones. It slipped off the parcel shelf and went on to the leather. So what's happened here is the leather's got very wet very quickly, and then because of the chemicals that are in these little dehumidifiers, I think they're like a little crystal pack in them, and that absorbs moisture from the air. But what that has done is absorbed moisture from the leather, and it's sucked the water that went onto the leather plus any other moisture that was in the leather already, and it's rapidly shrunk the leather, especially here where the perforated leather is here. That's been affected quite badly. This side it's relatively fine. It's a bit misshapen because it's been pulled so much this way. But yeah, the leather is very hard, and yeah, it's not in great condition. So I need to see what the foam's like underneath, what damage has been done to that. So that's my first job, is to remove this cover off this foam and assess the damage underneath. So let's start cutting away the hover rings. So that turned out really well. I was worried that it wasn't going to work, it wasn't going to pull it back to its original shape, but it's done a good job and I'm happy with the result. So now I'll put this to one side and get on with dealing with the cover.